Hey Kenzie, Motorbike Supercross Bikes, just getting to you here. Yeah. So, yeah. Just gonna be looking at dirt bikes again, like always. And then it's just been me talking to you guys for, ever since I first started this, channel. When I first started to make YouTube videos for you guys about dirt bikes, but I'll get there eventually. It, it's good. It takes patience and a little bit of time, so I'm gonna get there eventually. So maybe this summer I'm gonna be doing something. So I'm gonna be doing something. So probably gonna build that shop like I've been talking about. You know, then I'm gonna probably build it with heat and installation. So it stays warm and whatnot. So but today I'm gonna be looking at dirt bikes. Maybe I'm gonna be looking at KTM dirt bikes today, I guess. KTM. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here today, and I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing here today, alright? And then I guess I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? I'll probably talk to you guys next week, maybe on Tuesday the 10th. So today I'm gonna be looking at KTM's. So KTM dirt bikes. Alright. And I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? Alright. See you.